Hey Panda Quber fam, what's up? It's your girl Panda Quber, and today we are going to do some solves on the 3x3. So the idea of this video, I did it a while ago. I think it's one of my highest watched videos at the moment, and it seems to resonate really well with a lot of people, so I thought it'd be a really good idea to update that, because I think I'm probably about 3 seconds faster than when I recorded that. So I'm looking forward to setting some really good times on my cube today. So what we're going to do today is we're going to do a series of 5 solves and see what times I get on those solves. Hopefully they're better than the PB I set on my first video, which was a 27.83. So the goal is to beat that today, and I'll kind of be really disappointed if I don't. See if you beat the time you got last time. I mean, they are very different scrambles, and you know, you do get lucky on some scrambles, but we shall see, we shall see, we shall see. Best of luck, everyone. Make sure you got something to cover your cube with, something to record your times on. So I'm using a stack mat connected to CS Timer, because then it also gives me the averages along with giving me all my scrambles for today's video. Thank you to whoever invented CS Timer. And also a big thank you to Daily Puzzles for sponsoring my video. All right, let's get into solve 1. Scramble should be on your screen too. Yep. So this is just for fun, so hope you do better than you did last time, but if you didn't, that's okay. We're just gonna see what we can get from this, all right? So let's get into this first solve. Don't know why I'm nervous. Ah. $26, okay. Not my fastest start, but not bad. Not bad, not bad. Okay, solve 2. Wait, hang on. I always gotta check my scrambles. I always forget that. I kind of just toss it around and then start solving, so. Okay. Solve 2. Solve 2. $24, okay, 24. A little bit of a slippery solve, but that's okay. 24 is not bad. Ooh, okay, 2 more. No, did 2. Now I've got 3 more to go. Okay, 3 more to go. So solve 3 should be on the screen. Wish I was color neutral. So many good crosses, but none of them white. If you're color neutral, you're probably loving that solve. Anyway, let's get into solve 3. Oh, 29, not ideal. Okay, I just gotta get 2 more really good souls so the 29 doesn't count. Because 29 will not help my case. I'm pretty sure it'll actually take me over. Oh, come on, Lauren, come on. I can do better than that. All right, soul 4. To be color neutral. Maybe that's something I should work on. Yeah, that wasn't a good start, but that's okay. Because quick turning will hopefully make up for the fact that I didn't see a really easy cross. A lot of lockups, not ideal. I was just a bit nervous once I sort of stuffed up my F2L. I just couldn't see a good start for my F2L, so I did probably pull out the wrong piece and then had to figure out how to insert it quickly, but luckily my quick turning probably made up for it in the end because I got 26. So that's not too bad before. So I've got 26, 29, 24, 26. My mean's currently 26.59. So this last solve will kind of make me or break me. It's breaking me. No, I'm joking. It'll be fine. At least it's not a competition. Last comp I went to, goodness. The last comp I went to was probably Altona Algorithms, which was a comp I actually broke 3x3 PBs, except for a single. I broke my 3x3 average, but yeah, I didn't practice a lot for that comp. It kind of just came up on me and I was busy working most of the time, so I didn't have a lot of time to warm up or, you know, do everything I need to do. I did help out a lot, so I didn't have a lot of warm up time, but that's okay. I actually would rather help out. It's not about me. I can do this, I can do this, I can do this. I want to beat my time. No pressure, guys, if you've been beating your times. Good job. Really good job. We can do this together. We got this. And yeah. $25. Oh yes, I beat it. I finally beat my PB. Yes. All right, let's have a look. My best was 24.48 and my average of 5 was 26.09. So I beat it by almost a second and a half, or more than a second and a half. That is awesome. I'm very excited by that. And I'm really excited that I got reasonably consistent times. They're all in the 20s. The 29 just snuck in. So that's really good. And getting that 25 meant that my 29 didn't count. It also meant my 24 didn't count, but that's okay. Like, I'm okay with that. So I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Don't forget to post your times below. I read every single comment and I can't wait to see what you guys got on your times. I'll give you a big thumbs up. Let me know if you got any PBs, and as always, thank you so much for supporting my channel and participating in the Solve With Me series. And as always, don't forget to shop at Daily Puzzles and use code PANDA at checkout for 10% off your order. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next video.
Make sure you check out my Instagram, Panda_Quber, and subscribe to get notified when new videos come out. Thanks for stopping by. Stay safe.